So, perfect Fibonacci dance this morning on S&P. This is where sellers collapsed. This is where they found the buyers from, correct? Buyers stepped in from this level with vengeance and flew all the way to reversal zone. In the reversal zone, sellers stepped in from. You witnessed extremely aggressive short trade. Sellers picked up the steam, and I warned you, in this area, buyers dancing in counter trend. It would be complete shock if price will blast through this level. This is the dance you're witnessing this morning, time and time again, on S&P. Just to remind you, S&P collapsed from this level, and this is oil monthly. This is where oil monthly collapsed from reversal zone and ultimate collapse from decision point 2. No knowledgeable investor would ever be in position on any oil stocks whatsoever. You will be completely out at that time. Minor trend on oil, 2011-2012. Exact same thing as S&P had done. What S&P will do to the end of the minor trend to the upside. Will it blast through this level? Key moment, traders, that we've been waiting for an hour for. Price reached this level by a tick. How pure, magical, precise Fibonacci levels are. How anyone can trade or invest without them, I don't know. You see and you know all the levels far in advance. What is oil doing currently to the downside? Worthless bullish correction. This is not the time to buy oil stocks. That's simple, pure and clear. Worthless fluff. Oil collapsing further down. Will S&P blast through the end of the minor trend? It will shock and floor me if it will. Take a look at dance on oil hourly in overnight since Friday. Here's the end of the minor trend, October 21st. Here's the end of the minor trend, October 22nd. Here's a dance between decision point 2 and the end of the minor trend to the upside. Knowledgeable trader trades only between Fibonacci levels, never into Fibonacci levels. Complete collapse from the end of the minor trend. Is knowledgeable trader buying oil or shorting oil right now? Absolutely not. You cannot buy into Fibonacci level and sellers still remain firmly in touch. It's way too late to short oil. Shorting from here, nowhere near reversal zone. And that's what you're witnessing on oil this morning. All the same formula. All the levels spelled out by the price since last week playing out in front of you right now. What are you seeing on S&P? S&P is stuck against the end of the minor trend. Completely. As expected. And that's what market is waiting for across the board. FOMC this Wednesday. Here comes the sellers. The level price spelled out will be the end of the minor trend to the upside, finding selling pressure as expected. Traders' price is crawling back up. Stop outside of break-even. What will price do at 20.66 and a quarter? As exact same level oil is struggling at this morning on hourly, doing absolutely nothing. Apple earnings, who cares? Price is at reversal zone. That's very crucial reminder. You buying Apple at reversal zone, nothing good happens. You witnessed this morning what has happened on S&P hourly. Complete collapse. You witnessed what had happened on Apple monthly. Complete collapse. Bounce from decision point 2. This remains key level to the upside. Apple stuck at this resistance level. If you're buying into this level, nothing good happens. Can the price find enough juice and blast through this level higher up? Yes, it can, but this is not the place or time to buy Apple. You buy Apple as low as possible, never at the reversal zone. Your success rate, 20%. Let's take a look a little bit closer on Apple. Let's go to daily and weekly, and maybe even hourly, as number of graduates trade. Here is Apple daily. Here's the dense and spectacular push from the end of the minor trend. Here is decision point 2, and here is the reversal on August 21st from reversal zone, as expected. Is this the time or place to buy Apple? Absolutely not. Apple currently struggling at the end of the minor trend. Absolute fluff, absolutely not inspiring. If Apple will push further down, this is the place to buy Apple. Only if rules are met. You must know alpha wave trader rules. Without rules, nothing is possible. Shorting into this level is not an option. Price is stuck at the end of the minor trend. This is the place to look to buy Apple from 110 area. And that remains the key. Ultimate buy on Apple, of course, always and forever, reversal zone, 100. Bullish trend way overextended when it comes to daily chart. Sellers blasting through this level, rules are met, look to buy here. Rules are not met, there is absolutely nothing to do on Apple. And that remains the key. What is crucial and essential to remember, do not short anywhere near 110 area. The worst thing you can do. If price will find enough juice and bullish rally will continue, which started at 92, monitor to short from here. Do not ever buy. So, bullish rally overextended on daily chart. On monthly chart, collapse in progress. Not the time or place to buy Apple whatsoever. That pure and that simple. So here we are at the next Fibonacci level. This is very, very powerful area. I highly encourage you, watch out for the fill. 2066, we're dealing with hourly levels. We're gonna start seeing very powerful selling pressure. More than likely. This is precisely the reason why I moved the stop outside of break-even, and I warned you, this is extremely important target. Very crucial and very powerful area where we expect to start seeing selling pressure. That pure and that simple. We managed to pull 3 points out of this market. I warned you, this was not the place to short, shorting from here. Extremely aggressive push to the downside. I warned you, bullish trend is counter trend structure. Be prepared for torture. We've been here for over an hour. 3 points an hour later. We knew what not to short into. 3 points on S&P, 1 lot 150, 10 lots 1500. What you trade is up to you. Do you want to trade ETFs monthly? Forex 4-hour chart, 15-minute chart? Bonds weekly? Options, stocks? Choice is yours. Formula remains the same. Risk management and your psychology is different. Is anybody surprised S&P is finding selling pressure? Absolutely not. We completely expected this. I warned you where the powerful target is. I warned you what to expect, so buckle up as we're monitoring for short. We expect to be completely out at any moment. Apple hourly chart once again reminding you no Fibonacci levels. How can anyone trade without them? I don't know. On October 21st, price came to the end of the minor trend and found selling pressure. On October 22nd, price struggled immensely. When trend blasted through, bullish trend became major. 2 hours of fight at decision point 2 and ultimate reminder. Do not ever, 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 ever enter into reversal zone. Monitor for reversal. Sellers stepped in, and right now they're sitting very, very pretty at the end of the minor trend. Play by the rules. Price comes to reversal zone, you never ever buy into. Your success rate 20%. It doesn't matter if it's S&P monthly, where price been staging very powerful reversal entire year, but was not able to break through decision point 2 to the downside. Exact same level as prices dancing to the upside on non-time based charts. All the same formula. Risk management is different. Trader's psychology is different. Formula, rules for trade entry, and Fibonacci levels remains the same. As price the same on every instrument and different time frames. Risk management, liquidity, and trader's psychology is different. So time and time again, perfect Fibonacci dance. Seller stepped in this morning as expected and is posted on social media from reversal zone. I warned you where not to buy. I also warned you every bullish move remained firmly counter trend. 3 points later, price is heading south, south, south. What would be a beautiful thing? As knowledgeable trader knows, if S&P will collapse all the way back down to 2058. I will be trading only with my students today, market close, after Fibonacci class, where we will be discussing in detail the events that played out today. That pure and that simple. Out, out, out as expected. 3 points later. 31 trades, 27 trades positive. Can you do that with indicators? Good luck on that one. Both trades reached reversal zone. Every trade different stop and different target. Price tells me where stops and targets will be and must be. I have 15 charts open. I have time-based and non-time-based charts in front of me. Wherever I see a trade, for the trading room, I bring up only one trade. Showtime! Will S&P give us 3 more points today? Wouldn't that be beautiful and lovely? Adjust your trail extremely close. 2064. Remember, trading room will be closing very, very shortly. Those of you guys who sign up for the course, don't waste your time on this. Pretty please read the manual and modules and prepare for the first class. End of minor trend in front of you. Will S&P blast through this level? This is drastically different chart than any of the charts you witnessed this morning. Take another points on S&P, 1.5 depending on your point of entry. Those of you guys who had done my prior bootcamp, 4.5, 5 points later, and that makes a world of difference. I warned you where the first target was on S&P. We're getting out. Ladies and gentlemen, trade number 3 today. Drastically different level, drastically different trade. I warned you what I expected. We are out. Let's document this trade number 32. On this trade only, first target. Drastically different number of points. Drastically different trades. So ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to join us in a bootcamp, look forward to seeing you there again. As I spoke with a couple of guys who just joined us, you don't need to wait until bootcamp. Sooner you start, more prepared for the bootcamp you will be. In the bootcamp, you are polishing what you learn in the basic course and you are learning new strategy. Support is updating. We are down to 11 spaces. Have a marvelous afternoon. Back tomorrow at 9.